Yo guys, it's Shunka here, back with another video on TENET Productions. I hope you guys are doing well and safe. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing and unboxing this power bank I brought online. Let's get straight into it. So this is the RLERON power bank, 25,000 mAh milliamps per hour. It is available on Amazon in the link in the description. It is available for $19.99. So yeah, we're going to be checking out, we're going to be reviewing it and unboxing it. So having a look at the box, it is pretty basic. You've just got your power bank, no logo, no information at the front. You've got images of the devices which it is compatible with, iPad, GPS, Samsung, iPhone, iPod. At the back, made in China, power bank, power your life. Yeah, it's got more information on the back, the manufacturer, it is made in China, and stuff on the back. Warning, avoid water, fire and overheating. Don't drop it or disassemble it. Place it where children are not accessible. Stop using when there is bulge in power banks or charging equipment. Don't leave it charging in high temperature environments such as beach, car dashboard or deck. Contact us when there's ever a problem, but you've not left us a mobile number or email address. So yeah, I mean there might be more information in the box, so what we're going to do is we're going to rip this open and we're going to take it out. So yeah, the reason why I bought this power bank is because I do travel a lot. I go on a lot of road trips, I do a lot of hiking as well, alongside YouTube. And obviously when you're hiking, you've got all this camera equipment, you've got all this gear. You do need a power bank, to keep you going, keep you moving ahead. I've done a review on another power bank which I currently use. It's the Sloll's power bank. The link will be in the description. Check that video out, guys. That's probably my first power bank I did, the first review I did. So here it is, guys. For some strange reason, I don't know why that's on. Okay, they're off. Inside of the box as well, just to mention quickly to you guys, you've got your cable. It's a micro USB cable. So that is pretty much it. You've only got three things in the power bank box: the power bank itself, the USB and the user manual. Pretty straightforward. So we'll have a look at the user manual. I hope it's in English. So here's the user manual. It's not really much help as it's in different languages and it's just basic, very basic. There's not much to this user manual, as it's very basic. So we're going to put that towards the side. I'm going to give you the proper user manual, and I'm also going to give you the final question if this power bank is worth it. So just to quickly add, guys, I've started a new series on my YouTube channel. It is called Worth It, where I'll be reviewing products and services whenever and wherever I can. As it's obviously a national lockdown, I can't be going out shooting videos, but once the lockdown's finished, guys, I will be doing that. Now back on with this video, guys. You've got your USB micro USB cable which you can use to charge. We'll put that to the side. So our first impressions, guys, it's got a LED lights. It's got 3 of these LED lights. So what we don't know why they're always turned on. So yeah, while we're on the subject of the LED lights, we can talk about them. So all you do to turn it on is press it twice, and that's pretty much it. I mean, there is no other features, I don't think. So all it is just a basic LED turning on and off. You've also got the LCD display there. It is pretty smart, this LCD display. It's measured in a percentage. So you've got 25%, 50% and 75%. That's displayed on the power bank here. So at the moment it's on 50%, which is alright. I mean, this is draining it really bad. It turns on really quick, so it's just a click of a button once or twice and it turns on. And as you can see, when I opened the box, the LED light was already turned on. So that is pretty much a drawback towards this power bank. Now moving on to the information on the back. It's a Express E1, that's the model number, is 25,000, which we've explained. And yeah, it's made in China and it's got a couple of trademarks on it. It feels really cheap as well when you pick it up. It's not as heavy as the previous power bank. I think that was a 27,500 milliamps per hour. This is a 25,000. I'd expect it to be a bit heavier, but it is quite light. Feels really cheap. The plastic feels really cheap. The LCD display was fairly impressive. That was unexpected. So also as well, you've got the solar panel at the front of the power bank. So doing some more research online on the Amazon website, going through the reviews, this solar panel is a lot more efficient than the ones that Slows provided us with the other power bank. So yeah guys, having looking at the outputs, you've got, instead of 2 in the previous power bank, you've got 3. Now these 3 outputs, and you've also got 2 inputs for it to charge, one there and one there, one on either side. And that is pretty much the full display of the power bank. It is the latest polymer battery universal system, so it's the latest one that's out. So basically you can get more battery, more charge out of the power bank than the heat displayed, so you're not wasting a lot of energy on heat. You can use both Androids, iPhones, cameras, anything that connects via the USB, you can connect with the power bank. Also, with buying this product on Amazon, you get a 24-month warranty on this product. So if anything does happen, be sure to email the guys at Amazon and they will provide you with another one, or they'll repair it. So we'll look at some positives and negatives on this power bank. I found on the website, guys, is that it takes up to 3 days for it to charge via solar panel, through the solar panel. So I wouldn't really advise relying on the solar panel of the charge. It is a bonus, don't get me wrong, it is a bonus, but I wouldn't really rely on it for, for charge. I'd definitely plug it into a ball socket and get it charged up. So another drawback to this power bank, it is not water resistant, so if any water does get into this device, game over. I mean, the ports are practically open. It's also not dust resistant, so you have to give it a clean from time to time to get the product clean. And I don't think it is shock proof as well, so if you drop it, it will break. I mean, the plastic feels really cheap, having looking at it, so I wouldn't really recommend it. And the torch, it is very terrible. The torch I would rely on at night. I mean, some of it's better than nothing, as I said, but it also turns on for some reason, and you have to always just have a look on it, turn it off. Because when I opened the box, the first thing I saw was the LED light switched on. But on the other hand, you've got your positives. I mean, I do love the LCD display. It displays whether your power bank is on charge or not, and also I like the solar panel, because I mean, even though you can't rely on it, it is there for that boost. So it does give the power bank a bit of a boost, and rather than always just charging it up on the plug socket, you do have a bit of a boost. And what we're going to do is, guys, we're going to give it a quick go. We're going to try it out if it works efficiently, and we're going to try it on 3 devices as well. Right guys, so the phone is currently charging. We are going to leave it on for 15 minutes, and we shall set the timer on for 15 minutes. We'll just quickly do that now, guys. Quickly go into clock. So it's currently on 28%. We're going to leave it on for 15 minutes, so we're going to see how effective the charge is. And it's sort of charging all 3 devices. So it's got my PS5, which is on charge, as you can see, it's orange. Got the GoPro camera, and it's got my phone. So yeah, leave it on for 15 minutes and we'll see how it goes. The timer's off for 15 minutes. That was a long 15 minutes, by the way. So we're gonna have a quick look at what the percentage is. It's on 34, so from 28% to 34% in 15 minutes. I'd say that's average for a cable charger. I mean, not to mention the GoPro charge, I completely used it just for this video, guys, so please give me a like if you enjoyed it. And also the PlayStation 5 controller is still charging, and this was on 1 bar battery before we used it. And also just to add as well, 50% battery, so it is very strong when it comes to charging. So yeah, we're going to disconnect all these cables, we're going to put them to a side, and we're going to see how long it takes for this to charge up. Got a Type-C charger there, and you also got a micro USB on the other side, so you've got access to both chargers. We're going to be using the Type-C. So here is the Type-C charger. I'm going to be connecting that and putting it on charge with my trusty plug right here. This is obviously fast charge, so you've got 3 ports. This is fast charge. And the power bank is currently charging. It is on 50%, so we're going to let that charge for a bit. And also I'm going to end off this video by answering the question, is it worth it? We'll find out, guys. I would say it is 100% worth £20. Reason being is because it has the solar panels to charge the power bank. It gives it an extra boost rather than having a power bank that just charges via electricity. You've got electricity and you've got the solar combined, which gives it an extra boost. So when you're out and about on a, let's say you're hiking or you're traveling, if it's during the day, then brilliant. I mean, you are charging your device on the go. But if it's at night time, then unfortunately, unless you've got the artificial light, like a lamp or something, then the device will not charge with solar power. But I mean, when you're traveling, you travel at daylight. So I mean, that's why I would recommend this device. So I hope you enjoyed the video with the Express E1 power bank. Thank you for those that are watching. If you want the power bank, it's in the link in the description below, guys. Make sure you buy it with the link provided. So that is your boy Shunka here, back with another video on TENET Productions. Take care, stay safe, and always wash your hands.